If you want to get paid right now with no skills or previous experience, then keep watching this video because I have 4 different websites to show you, each and every one of them being available worldwide, and no money at all is required in order to get started. As always, be patient and don't skip ahead so you don't miss a single one of them. But before we start, alright, so just before I go ahead and show you these websites, you guys, I need to remind you that these won't make you rich in any way, shape or form. They're a great way to earn some money quickly though, and without too much effort. But for those of you who want videos on more long-term strategies, stay tuned, as soon enough I'll be uploading videos with the strategies that will provide you with income for a much longer period of time. Now with that very important bit of info out of the way, the first of the 4 sites I will be showing you today is one of the oldest, most enduring, and arguably one of the best make money online websites out there. It's called treasuretrooper.com. And the very first thing you'll notice is that it does look old-fashioned, and it's not a coincidence, because as you can see on the bottom of the page, this site has been around since 2005. So it's one of the oldest make money online sites out there, and precisely because of that fact, it's most certainly legit. Otherwise, it would have disappeared a long time ago. To the left, you can see that members of this website have earned nearly $8 million. You can check out the payment proof if you want by clicking just below. For those wondering, this site is available just like I promised you in most countries around the world, so it's mostly worldwide as far as what you can do on here to get paid. It has a wide variety of options, and you can divide them into 3 categories, so to speak: offers, surveys, and games. Offers consist of filling out forms, sample products, making money, performing searches, and completing tasks. So you can choose from some of these, see which ones you'd like the most. Even if you don't like them, this site does pay quite a bit for completing them, just like it says below. Take 8 daily cash surveys available every day, worth up to $1 each. Visit our unique survey panel for dozens of extra paid survey opportunities. So you get paid $1 per survey, which isn't a huge amount of cash, but it's way more than other websites, which is the most important bit for us. The games are a very nice option as well. They can actually be fun, believe it or not. If you don't have a lot of time, then you can try and refer some people to here to get paid in passive income. But overall, I would recommend other sites, because make money online sites won't pay you that much, and I just don't find them worth the trouble. As always, to get started, you have to create an account, and you can do that right here. I won't go over it because I'm sure you could manage that on your own. Now the second site we'll be going over today is surveyer.com. As you can all guess by now, this one will pay you by completing different kinds of surveys, which is exactly what it says on their homepage. It also shows us that it's available all around the globe, and this is once more very important to us. More details are available down below, which I will get to it in a minute. Down here, you can see that we send paid surveys in euros that can be converted into PayPal or Amazon vouchers. We care about your opinion and you're paid for expressing it. To the right of that, you can see that apart from the surveys you can complete to get paid, they have some interesting features as well. Find out how to make money on the internet, or how to save time while maintaining the same lifestyle. A lot of other curious news, smart solutions, and funny videos await you. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. So they actually have some info on how you can make money online and other cool stuff. So it's not just a paid site per se. Here, you can see how you can get paid. And PayPal, as is usually the case, is available for this website with other options in case you aren't a big fan of PayPal. If you want to see all the different ways you can get paid, just click on Discover All the Awards just below. First off, this website is available in 123 countries around the world. So just like I promised you, we are talking about a near worldwide available site that works no matter where you're coming from. You can sign up from 5 continents. This site is in 4 languages. The user profile and surveys are in the language of the country you live in. See the list here. Now if that wasn't good enough, this site will show you surveys in the language of the country where you're from. So if you're not from the US, and English is not your native language, or you simply don't know it that well, it literally doesn't matter, which is a very nice addition that I don't think many sites out there have. There are 2 million registered users, so this is quite popular. To the right, we can see that over 1 million euros have been redeemed thus far, paid out through the likes of PayPal, Amazon, Zalando, Decathlon, Skrill, and Payza. So this site is not only available worldwide, but also it has a range of different payment options for you to choose from. In order to get started with making money here, just come back up and click on Sign Up for Surveya right here. Enter your details from there, and you're good to go. The third site on my list today is called PrizeRebel.com, and as you can see right away, you can sign up in 10 seconds. You can start making money online now, and you'll do that by completing various surveys. You can get paid in cash or gift cards through PayPal, Amazon, Visa, Steam, and eBay. As you can see below, they offer hundreds of brand name gift cards, direct bank payments, PayPal, and Visa gift cards. This is awesome, as they will give you a choice. So if you want to get paid in cash, that's completely fine. But you can also choose a gift card instead if you prefer it, with Google Play, Amazon, and Roblox gift cards being the most popular choices. More info on how this works is found just below. They're looking for people who want to complete surveys, such people who give their opinions, earn points that they then exchange for cash, as simple as that. Now, a really unique and awesome feature of this site is that some people actually got nice stuff for completely free. Obviously, you aren't going to get these easily, but there is a slight chance, and that's a really good addition to this site in my opinion. The last thing that we see on their homepage is that they are featured on Trustpilot, Survey Police, SiteJabber, and Insider. All in all, you guys, it's a great website, and of course, available all around the globe. To get started, just enter your details here, and click on Start Making Money, or you can sign up with just one click via Facebook if you want to. I'll leave that up to you. Now, the last site on my list is a site I have indeed already featured in my previous videos. But for those of you who have perhaps missed the video, this site in question is called surveytime.io. This is yet another great site to get paid by completing surveys. And as you'll see over on Trustpilot, it has some of the best reviews out there. And all in all, I would recommend combining this site with the other three that I showed you in order to maximize your earnings. Anyways guys, since I've already covered this site, I won't go too in depth with it. And that's it! Before we go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next videos.